Oh, what do we have here? Here's why you don't punch a cop.
You don't make no rules. Really? You don't make no rules.
Oh. Fight back. Fight back.
Good, what's going on, man?
All right, so the situation is this. I got all my information. I was coming to renew my ID. Excuse me, I'm in the spit value but I asked for my real ID, right? And she told me that I needed my social security card. I say, ma'am, you got it on file. I don't have my social security card, but I have your social security card with my name, my birth certificate, my address. I'm renewing my address again, and she told me I need my physical, what's his name? So I say, okay, but I came here when I first moved out here to get, it might sound like I'm yelling, but my voice
I get it.
So I told her I came and got an ID, showed her the previous ID I got from this facility, which I would have needed what? My birth certificate and social security card.
What the fuck is a social?
So that's on file. So I say I'm already on file. All I want is my real ID.
Yeah.
She says she can't do that. That's not their rules. Just because you the DMV don't mean that your DMV rules go over legislative rules, bro. So I told her, are you the legislator? If that's the law, I will abide by the law. Oh, that's our rules, and your rules is not the law. I called the police on her ass, and that's what we at right now.
Okay.
On phone them.
I try to do the same thing here too, where I needed my actual physical social security card because they won't take anything else, even if it's on file. Because they want to verify that it's you and you have control of your social security
but
card.
my ID is my ID, right? So when I come up here, my picture on there, right?
Yeah.
So they can't.
It could be fake though. Hey. It could be fake. Okay? That's all I'm saying.
If you look at physically in my face, see the same birth certificate, the same name.
But what they do is beyond us too, man.
I get that too, but that's not the law, my man. That's all I'm saying. It's not the law, bro.
TikTok lawyer, he know his rights.
The only reason I called the law is to enforce the law, because that's not the law. Do I need to? Can you got your phone? Just so it don't think that I'm manipulating. Pull up Chevron versus America, and it's gonna tell you. We're not gonna stand here and debate. All I'm saying.
Look, he is that one annoying uncle that it don't matter what you say, you can put facts in front of his face. If he believes in something, he not letting off of it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm paid for my ID. Where's my ID? You know what? Just don't worry about it. Come on, baby. Like, bro, like, all I want to know was, can I have both of you guys' card, please? Thank you. Nah, you got cards.
I love when people try to act respectful, but they thuggish, ruggish for sure.
Have cards, bro.
Now I know your numbers.
Okay, what's your name? What's your name? Huh?
Alan 1148.
1148.
He is not finna remember that shit.
Allen, can you write this down, baby? Oh, I'll just record it. 1148 Allen. What's your name, sir?
Romero 1335.
Remember 1335. Okay, y'all have a good day.
You do not want me to go and see if I can get some more back. Sounds good. All right, thank you.
Whoa. I don't know why people be going to this extreme to say you can suck and do all this. Why do y'all be wanting to tell another man that, bro? That is weird behavior to me.
Excuse me? What's that? Did you just threaten me? Did you just threaten me? I suggest you get in that car before I get up to it, or I will send you to jail. You do not tell me that you will beat my ass. You do not tell me that you will beat my ass.
You don't touch me.
I will make the rules here. I suggest you get in the car.
You don't make no rules.
Really?
You don't make no rules.
He enforces them though. I mean, you got to give it to him on that. He does enforce the rules. So just because he don't make them, don't mean he don't enforce them. And the fact that you want to sit here and get mad because your shit got lost in the mail and you mad and you ain't got to take that out on them. What the fuck they got to do with the cops?
Don't touch me.
Turn around.
Don't touch me, bro.
Turn around.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Penitentiary rules in effect. Oh. Fight back. Fight back. I don't know why people think that fighting the police is going to get them some brownie points. Is going to get them like, a get out of free jail card. I don't know what they be thinking, but it's literally the dumbest thing that you can ever do in your life. Oh. Oh. He's a runner. He's a track star. He gonna run away when it get hard. He can't take the pain. He can't get scarred. My boy running. Hey, look. The fact that he is running with his shirt off and there's snow on the ground. Boy, I would have caught pneumonia instantly as soon as I would have took off my shirt. It takes me literally nothing to get sick at all. Breathe fresh. I mean, I don't know what the fuck I was about to say. Oh, breathe, stretch, shake, and let it out. I would have been like, girl, get the car going. Get the car going. I'm going to take them around and you whoop-de-whoop. You know what I'm saying? Did he start walking? Them lungs burned and shit. He was running outside. He out of line for that shit. If anybody know, running in the cold, full speed for about a good 3 minutes, boy, your shit gonna be burning. You hear me? Oh. Hey, dumbass.
Y'all f with me.
Get out of the car right now.
All you had to do was just keep your mouth closed, bro. What was so hard about just shutting the fuck up? Damn, he got bullet wounds and shit.
Y'all some bitches. That's why niggas be killing y'all, bro. I gave
Oh.
them people a prop. And y'all arrested me. Cause you got an ego prop.
You didn't shut the fuck up, sugar-free baby brother. You did not fuck up. All you had to do is just shut up. The cops were gone. Look, the coast was clear. You were good to go. All you had to do was just get in your car and curse them out. You know how many times my mama as a kid pissed me off, and I go in that room, in my room, because me and my sister, we had our own room once we got a house. I would cuss my mama out in the highest silent voice that I could. And I would put my face in the pillow and I just go crazy.
He got an ego prop.
All you had to do is do that with the cop in the car. Like, fuck him, old dude, you know? He can't hear that.
Prince, though, you gotta. You not that much. But you my man. You was respectful, though. Him, not so much. This a hoe. You a hoe. I wanted to whip your ass. Straight up.
On baby Jesus. He's like, this guy's a psycho.
Yo, y'all finna get fired, bro. On my soul. Y'all finna get fired.
I'm not believing him, huh? No, he's just really red. He hit him really good.
Oh, right in the back of the ear.
Damn, in the temple. He could have knocked you out.
We'll have you come and look at that, okay?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I asked you to help me, bro. I asked you to help me, bro. I literally asked you to help me, bro. They're killing us out here.
Are you about to cry? Come on, thug, nasty thug. You not supposed. It sounds like he about to do a whole tear. And, no, don't do that.
I really did, bro. And I came to you as a man. And I walked away because you told me to walk away. And this fucking cracker he came and assaulted me and you was with him. And cursed you and your children, bro. On my soul.
This suspect was charged with resisting, obstructing, aggravated battery to a peace officer, and aggravated assault on a peace officer. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out. No, 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Look, real quick. This guy had every opportunity to let this situation go. It wasn't the police's fault that he got his license lost in the mail. Sometimes it come back in 2 weeks. Sometimes they get lost in translation and they got to order another one. Whatever the case may be, I would need y'all to print me up another receipt and I just wait for it to come. It's never that serious to where you got to go to jail for it. And for the life of me, I just like on these body cams, it seemed like the positive thing to do would be to go to jail versus just shutting the fuck up or just leaving or just, like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what the mentality of these people is this day, but it is crazy. It is beyond me. Because if I can get away with not going to jail, I ain't never been to jail a day in my life. Don't plan on going either. Don't want to see it. I see it from the TV screens and stuff, but to see it in real life, it's a no for me. You get what I'm saying? Would you guys like to go to jail? Have you guys been to jail before? If you guys, it's a judgment-free zone. If you have, it's okay. It happens. I'm just not trying to go. You feel me? I like my life. I like being outside, being able to do what I like to do by myself. You know what I'm saying? With somebody, whoever. You know, I don't want nobody waking me up at 3 a.m, 4 a.m, telling me I gotta ask permission to do this. Fuck all that. You get what I'm saying? But that's it, baby. We out.